Welcome to your 10-minute good morning flow. Let's begin in Balasana. Forehead to the mat, seat to heels. Beginning to do some deep breathing here, attaching your mind to your breath. Every inhalation, expand your belly big with your breath. Allow your belly to grow soft and expansive. Allow your shoulders, jaw, and neck to relax and release here. One more deep breath in. Rise slowly up to tabletop. Wrists below shoulders, knees below hips, heavy belly, look forward. And exhale, tuck the chin, round the spine. Inhale, spread across the chest. Exhale, tuck the chin, tailbone goes down between your knees. Few more times here. Then walk your hands forward, bringing your shoulders over your wrists, belly strong and in line with your spine. Pull the belly in and up. Exhale, melt the heart in between your arms. Inhale, press your shoulder blades up to the sky. Exhale, pull the shoulder blades onto your spine. So you're like pressing your shoulder blades up and allowing the heart to melt all the way down to the floor. Roll the shoulders back, press the tops of the feet into the earth, and lift up, Bhujangasana. Lower with length down, long neck. Look at the floor. Inhale, lifting up, spreading across the chest. Exhale, lowering down. Your elbows stay in close to your side body as you lift up a final time and lower down with grace, ease, and control. Press the mat away, curl your toes under, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Spread your fingers wide, lift up on the toes, and lower your heels down to the mat. Create long, long line through your spine, creating even more length from your shoulders all the way back through your hips. One more deep breath here. As you're ready, bend your knees, step your feet to your hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look at the floor. Exhale, fold. Ardha Uttanasana, coming up 2 more times, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold, bring your weight forward to the balls of your feet. Last time, extend, come halfway up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sweep the palms out and up. Lift up. Exhale, press the palms together and lean towards the right. Press your inner thighs towards one another. Inhale straight up and exhale, lean to the left. Long line from the outer edge of the right foot all the way up to the fingertips, opening the side waist. Inhale straight up. Exhale, open across the heart, open the arms, and flow forward, heart first, head last. Inhale, lengthen the spine, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale to fold. Step way back with your right foot. Pivot your heel down. Pull the left hip back, the right hip forward. Sweep the arms out and up, Virabhadrasana 1. And exhale, get down with the hips. Straighten your back leg. Make sure your toes are in the same direction as your knee. Open the arms. Bring the outer edges of the palms forward to touch. And then inhale, lift the heart and the arms. Exhale, sweep the arms forward, palms up to the sky. Inhale, press into the heel, lift up. Few more times, moving in the rhythm of your own breath here. Softly bring your fingertips to the mat. Step your back foot forward, bring your hands to your shin, extend the spine, and then fold. Pull your left hip back, your right hip forward. Keep a micro bend in the knee, gliding forward over your leg. Press evenly to the inside and the outside edge of the front foot. Walking your hands over towards the left corner of the mat, pull the right hip back. And slowly stepping the right foot back a little bit more. Inhale, stretch the arms out and up. Exhale, glide your arms behind you. Interlace the fingers, lift the chest. Exhale, lean forward, bend into the knee. Lifting the chest, lift your gaze, lift your heart. Then exhale, coming even deeper forward. Moving in your own rhythm with your breath here. Your inhalation takes you up, and your exhalation, you lean forward, open the chest. This time, bow forward to the inside of your left knee. Inhale, spread across the chest, and exhale, melt deeper. Inhale, stretch the chest up and back, and exhale, straighten your front leg. Glide your toes to face the long edge of your mat, lift the heart, and fold forward. Bring your fingertips in between your feet, and then walk your fingertips forward, lengthen your spine. Sweep your right arm up to the sky, and then switch, sweeping your left arm up to the sky. Grab onto opposite elbows, your calves or your ankles. Engage the thighs, pull the energy up through the feet, and cascade your spine forward. Release out of the fold. Walk your hands around. We'll come into Virabhadrasana 1 on the other side. Press down into the outer edge of the left foot. Lift the arms out and up. Pull your right hip back and your left hip forward to square the hips. And then glide the palms forward. Inhale, lift the heart, lift the arms. Exhale, glide the outer edges of the palms to touch. Moving in the rhythm of your own breath a few more times here. Release your hands to the mat, step your back foot forward, square the hips, lengthen the spine, and fold over your leg. Keep a micro bend in your knee. You can always keep your hands up on your thigh or on your shin. Level the hips, pressing equally into all four corners of the front foot. Bring your hands out to the right corner of your mat. Stretch along the side body. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, step the back foot back, coming back up, Virabhadrasana 1. Interlace the hands behind the back, lift and spread across the chest, and then glide, hinge forward any amount. On the inhalation, lift your chest, go back, and on the exhalation, bend deeper into the front knee. The back leg stays completely straight, pressing actively back into the outer edge of the back foot. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, drop your head down to the inside of the right knee. Inhale, press, lift the fist up to the sky, and exhale, dive down a little deeper. Inhale, lift the chest, come back up, and then rotate your toes around to face the long edge of the mat, interlace the fingers behind your back, and fold forward, sweeping your fist up over your head. Release your fist. Run your hands down your legs to the floor. Step your feet together and take a seat on your mat. Bringing the soles of the feet together, lift the heart and fold forward Baddha Konasana, opening the hips. Remembering that you are enough just as you are, lovable, loving, and kind. Coming back up, cross the legs. Walk the hands out at a diagonal, stretching the side waist one last time. And bring the hand to the outside of the knee, twisting open. Revolving around, stretching to the other diagonal, the other corner. Then bringing your hand to the outside of the opposite knee from before, revolving open. I'm wishing you a day filled with lightness, ease, play, and so much love. Namaste.